Hello. Today, we're going to talk about how to get out of debt once and for all and take control of your financial life. If you're watching this, you've already taken the first step, seeking the knowledge to solve the problem. So, congratulations on being here. Grab a notebook and pen because I'm going to share powerful strategies and practical examples that will change how you look at your finances. Ready to join me on this journey? Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the root cause of your debt. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand how you got into debt. This isn't about blaming yourself, but about being honest with your situation. Ask yourself, what financial habits led to this debt? Maybe you've been spending more than you earn, relying on credit without a plan, or making emotional purchases out of impulse. Here's a practical exercise. Write down the key emotional triggers or habits that contributed to your debt. Identifying the root cause is the first step to avoiding the same mistakes in the future. Step 2. Take a financial inventory. Once you've identified how you got here, it's time to take stock of your current situation. List every single debt you have, including the creditor, the total balance, the interest rate, and the due date. Then, write down your monthly income and all your expenses. You need a clear picture of how much is coming in and how much is going out. For example, let's say you find out you owe $2,000 on a credit card with a 20% annual interest rate and $5,000 on a personal loan with a 6% interest rate. Knowing these details will help you prioritize which debts to tackle first, as we'll discuss in the next step. Step 3. Choose the right debt repayment strategy. There are two main strategies for paying off debt. The snowball method. Start with the smallest debts. Paying them off quickly gives you a psychological boost and momentum to keep going. The avalanche method. Focus on the debts with the highest interest rates first, which will save you more money over time. For instance, if you owe $500 at 25% interest and $5,000 at 10% interest, the avalanche method suggests starting with a higher interest debt. Choose the strategy that feels right for you and start making payments. Step 4. Negotiate with your creditors. Don't hesitate to negotiate with your creditors. Many companies are willing to lower interest rates, reduce the total amount owed, or offer better repayment terms if you're proactive. Contact your credit card companies, banks, or other lenders, explain your situation, and propose a payment plan. For example, someone with a $10,000 debt managed to negotiate it down to $7,000 by offering a lump sum payment. They achieved this by selling unused items and cutting unnecessary expenses, which brings us to the next step. Step 5. Find ways to generate extra income. To pay off your debt faster, consider increasing your income. Here are some practical ideas. Sell items you no longer use, such as clothes, furniture, or electronics. Offer services like tutoring, freelance work, or repairs. Use gig economy apps for ride-sharing, food delivery, or renting out tools and equipment. For example, imagine you make $1,000 by selling unused items at home. You can use this to pay down a debt, which reduces future interest payments and accelerates your progress. Step 6. Adjust your lifestyle temporarily. While paying off debt, temporary lifestyle adjustments are key. Cut unnecessary expenses like subscription services you rarely use, dining out frequently, or impulse shopping. Here's a practical challenge. Adopt a 30-day rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 30 days. Often, you'll realize you didn't need it after all. These small sacrifices can add up to significant savings over time. Step 7. Create a long-term plan. Once you're debt-free, the next step is ensuring you never go back. Create a monthly budget and set aside money for emergencies. Financial experts recommend building an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. For instance, if your monthly expenses are $3,000, aim for an emergency fund of $9,000 to $18,000. This cushion will protect you from unexpected events and prevent you from relying on expensive credit options in the future. Step 8. Shift your mindset about money. Getting out of debt isn't just about numbers. It's about transforming how you think about money. Visualize a debt-free life and use that as motivation. Surround yourself with people who support your financial goals and distance yourself from those who encourage reckless spending. Practice gratitude. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress will strengthen your resolve and keep you focused on your ultimate goal. Closing thoughts. You can transform your financial life. Getting out of debt might seem overwhelming, but with the right strategies and a commitment to change, it's entirely possible. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and every step you take is a victory toward financial freedom. Take stock of your debts, choose a repayment plan, negotiate where you can, make lifestyle adjustments, and focus on building a secure future. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with someone who could benefit from these tips, and subscribe to the channel. Together, we can help you transform your financial life. See you next time.